Do you feel po, like of course with the superstar Nora Honor na we all know, hindi na siya nakakapag-perform because of her voice.
Nakakalungkot talaga. Pero I don't know kung, kasi di ba nakakapagsalita naman siya?
Opo.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, I have always believed kung nakakapagsalita ka, makakakanta ka. Hindi naman totally nawala eh. But siguro kung talagang kakanta, hindi naman kailangan yung anong klaseng, but with her alone, the moment you speak, you have the voice, you can sing. Baka kailangan lang ng dagdag inspiration or to, you know, yung mga kaibigan, inspire siya to sing again. Kasi ang ganda ng boses nito.
Kaya nga.
Wala namang katulad ng boses nito.
So pwedeng parang nawala na lang siya ng motivation. No? Pero ikaw kaya makakita mo yung sarili mo na one day mawawala ka ng motivation to sing.
Kasi I will continually sabi ko yun na, you know, ang singing kasi talaga, every waking moment of my life is I just sing may harana to the Lord all the time. Even our national anthem is may harana to God, to lift up the country to the throne of God. And that's yun. Kaya sabi ko, yung purpose ko is really to be here. I declared myself to be an intercessor for the country. I don't have to be part of an organization or a group or whatever religion group, no. To be an intercessor for the country is you are praying for the country. That is my main goal. Praying for the country. That's why I believe, that's why I'm still here. Sa dami ng opportunities na binibigay abroad, laging hindi siya natutuloy. And then I came to that realization na, okay Lord, I accept. Until he gave me that revelation, naging clear sa akin na you are called for this country.
Kapag nagpapansin ka,